This is the new Xiaomi 15 and the 15 Ultra. Now, if you're wondering, the Pro version is only exclusively available in China. So since I'm here in Barcelona where Xiaomi has unveiled both of these phones, let me show you and tell you what's different. Now, firstly, the Xiaomi 15 is obviously smaller in size, and because it is smaller, it does feel nicer and firmer in the hand, and it does remind me of last year's base model, nice and very compact. Now, the bezels here are very thin at 1.3 mm with decent screen-to-body ratio. Now, it weighs about 191 grams for the black and this white variant, including the green variant as well. Now, it's using Xiaomi's very own Xiaomi Shield glass and an aluminium frame that also has an IP68 rated as well. Then, as for the Ultra, the size is bigger, so the phone is significantly heavier at about 226 grams for this black and the white variant, with the silver chrome version being about 3 grams heavier at 229 grams. Now, this also has the stronger second generation Xiaomi Shield glass instead, but it has the same aluminium frame with IP68 rating as well. But of course, the signature feature for this Ultra series is the photography kit. So yes, this here has one too, where this is called the Legend Edition with a nice customization tactile camera button that also has a 2000 milliamps of battery on the camera grip. Then as for this screen, it comes with a 6.36 AMOLED display with a massive 3200 nits of ultra bright display. So yes, it is extremely bright even here in Barcelona in a very nice blue sky. Now, I'm not complaining about smartphone screens being super bright and all, but it is bright to a point that I might consider wearing sunglasses indoors. Then the refresh rate is from 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. But what's interesting is the fact that this also has Xiaomi's very own custom M9 display panel. So not only Xiaomi has ditched Corning since last year's Xiaomi 14 Ultra for this version 2 of the glass protection this year, but also has made their own custom display too. Nice. And with that, it has lots of TUV rain lens certifications too. Then as for this Ultra screen, it comes with a bigger 6.73-inch AMOLED screen. It has a sharper screen with a higher DPI value, with a higher overall resolution of 3200 by 1440 resolution. But the brightness value is same at 3200 nits, so is the refresh rate, but with a massive 1920 Hz of PWM dimming, with all of the similar TUV rain lens certifications as this base model. And the screen also has Dolby Vision playback with HDR10+ support. Then camera-wise, the Leica collab is here to stay. So yes, both uses the Leica Vario Sumilux lens tech, where this Xiaomi 15 has a triple lens setup with 8 focal lengths, a 50 megapixel 23mm main camera, a 50 megapixel 60mm floating telephoto camera that has up to 10 centimeters macro photography, and a 50 megapixel 14mm ultra-wide camera. Then the front camera is using a 32 megapixel camera. Now, this also has 8K video recording at 24 FPS and 30 FPS, which is great to know, especially for a phone that has a base model capabilities like this. It has 4K Dolby Vision video recording at 24, 30 and 60 FPS, and 4K video log recording at 24, 30 and 60 FPS. Now, being the flagship, the cameras on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is obviously the strongest features. The main 50 megapixel lens is a 1-inch sensor, but the same 23mm focal length. There's also a similar 50 megapixel floating telephoto lens, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera too. But what added here is this massive 200 megapixel periscope lens that has a 100mm focal length, and the video recording formats are the same, but this has 4K 120 FPS cinematic slow motion on the main and also the telephoto lens. Now, do subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't done so, as I'll be doing an in-depth camera review of this Xiaomi 15 Ultra, both for the cameras and the video, just like how I did last year. Now, what's nice is that both phones comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the latest 3nm chipset, which has been performing very well with other Android smartphones. It also uses LPDDR5X memory with UFS 4.0 storage, with this Ultra having a slightly newer version of UFS version 4.1. Then both has Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth version 6, so that was really nice to know, where it ships with the latest Xiaomi HyperOS 2 with tons of AI features, which I'll go in-depth in my review of these devices, of course. Then as for battery and charging, the Xiaomi 15 comes with a 5240 milliamps with up to 90 watts of hypercharge and 50 watts of wireless hypercharge, where this Ultra obviously comes with a bigger 5410 milliamps of battery with the same 90 watts of wired charging but a faster 80 watts of wireless charging instead. Now as for the price, the Xiaomi 15's 12GB of RAM with 256GB variant is priced at 3,499 ringgit, which is about 785 USD, and the 512GB variant is priced at 3,699 ringgit, which is about 829 USD. Then the Xiaomi 15 Ultra with the 16GB of RAM with 512GB of storage variant is going for 5,199 ringgit, which is about 1,165 USD, which to me is a really great price, especially with all of these flagship features. But if that is not enough when it comes to the storage, the 1TB variant with the same RAM is priced at 5,699 ringgit, which is about 1,277 USD. So besides testing out these two cameras and the AI features, do let me know what you would like for me to test on these two phones, and I'll answer to your questions in my in-depth review of these two phones.